This is probably the most unorganized tutorial you will ever see. Bear with me, it should come in handy. Otherwise, I will not post it. I will be using Balance 3D to demonstrate these techniques, but you should be able to use them in most other softwares too. First, we will be punching holes in Solid Cube. To do that, look for the cross sign on every side of the cube, multi-select them, scale up, grow select, switch to face selection, and press delete. Subdivide and change color to yellow. Cut the mesh in half before using the mirror modifier. Double extrude in the beginning, extrude again, and double inset in the end. Apply the mirror modifier and add another one. Change axis. Select the front edge, extrude 2 times. Fill the hole. Inset, extrude 3 times. Double inset and crease at the end. Apply the mirror modifier and close the holes. Now move to the top. Select the edge. Fill hole. Inset 1 time and delete. Select the new faces and extrude 3 times. Add another cube, scale it down. This time we will make 4 circles, extrude and bring them down. Look for the cross signs, select 4, scale up, grow select, don't act like you didn't see it before. This time extrude the faces to the inside. Don't forget to add extra loop cut at the end. Subdivide and change the color to blue. Select the first circle and the other circles too. Inset, extrude, inset, extrude, extrude, extrude.